Have you ever tried Gawar Ki Phalli with Gosht? This simple ingredient transforms ordinary mutton curry into something absolutely delicious. अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज हम बना रहे हैं मटकी की फली, जिसे ग्वार की फली भी कहते हैं, और गोश्त का सालन। तो इसके लिए आई हैव टेकन अ हैंडफुल ऑफ ग्वार की फली, the cluster beans, and cut them into half-inch pieces. Add 1 teaspoon salt, rub well to just take off the bitterness, wash and keep aside. Now take a pressure cooker, add around 3 tablespoons of oil. To this add 2 green cardamoms, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 small cinnamon stick and half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds. Saute for a few seconds and then add 2 onions finely sliced and fry till golden brown. Then add 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste. Sprinkle a little water if necessary and saute till the raw smell goes. Now to this add 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Continue sauteing. Also add 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Also 1 teaspoon salt and continue to saute. You can sprinkle water if you find the masala sticking to the bottom of the pan. Now cook until the tomatoes soften completely and the raw smell disappears. Add the mutton. I've taken half a kg of mutton and roast on low flame, stirring frequently. If the masala sticks to the bottom, sprinkle a little water. Continue roasting until the oil begins to separate from the masala. Now add 1 cup of water. Close the cooker and pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. 1 whistle on high and 3 on medium flame. Once the pressure releases naturally, open the cooker and add the Gawar Ki Phalli. Add a little water if required and mix well. Close the cooker again and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Allow the pressure to release naturally. Serve hot with roti, paratha or steamed rice. So do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.